Hi, now we are going to see about the novel data mining approach for soil classification. This is the abstract of our project. Decision tree is a well-known approach for soil classification in data mining. C4.5 and classification and regression trees (CAT) are two widely used decision tree algorithms for classification. In view of these limitations, this paper presents a modified decision tree algorithm. The C4.5 CART are the proposed classifier are trained using dataset containing soil samples by considering optimal soil parameters, namely pH, EC and the ESP. pH means power of hydrogen, EC means electrical conductivity, ESP means exchangeable sodium percentage. The model is tested with a test dataset of soil samples. The test proves that the modified decision tree algorithm has higher classification accuracy when compared to both of these algorithms. The C4.5 and COT are our proposed modified algorithm based on decision tree are applied to the soil samples, and the classification is done by considering EC, pH and ESP parameters of the soil samples. This is the flow of our project. In this process, first we have to upload dataset. In this model we are uploading two kind of dataset. First we are loading area dataset. This dataset will contain details like crop name, soil type, area harvested, seed values, etc. The second dataset will contain details like soil type, pH, EC and ESP values. The two datasets are loaded first, and then there is a pre-processing. In this model, we are pre-processing the dataset loaded. The dataset may contain unfilled data, so that to remove those data, we are pre-processing both datasets. First, we are upload area dataset, and then afterwards we want to pre-process the data. Then after uploading the soil type dataset, it will remove unfilled dataset, so that we can easily data for classification. And then next, the classification of our process. In this process, to produce our result that we are classifying the pre-processed data, first we pre-process this data set after loading. In this process, we have three types of classifications. They are soil classification, crop classification and find the best. In soil classification, we use C4.5 algorithm. In the soil type, it is mentioned, then it will give result about the list of crops which grow well for the particular type, and also it shows the pH values of soil. If the crop is mentioned, then it will show in which soil it will grow well. And then crop classification. In crop classification, we also use C4.5 algorithm. Using this algorithm, we classify the crops in which soil it will grow well. If the soil crop is mentioned, then it will show in which soil it will grow well, and then it also shows that pH values, EC values and soil. And then finally the best, find the best. In this classification we use CART algorithm. Using that algorithm we classify the best one. If the crop and soil is mentioned, then it will give results like the crop is well grown in this soil or not. Finally, it gives the results like matched or not. This is the running question of our project. This is the home page. Click here to go the next page. Here we want to upload area dataset. Click here to browse. Select the dataset correctly and click open. Dataset will be uploaded. Here is the dataset. We want to pre-process this data. Click here to pre-process the dataset. Dataset cleanup succeeded. This is the pre-processed data. And then click here to load the next soil type dataset. Click here to browse the soil type dataset. Click here to next. We want to pre-process this data. Click here to pre-process the data. Dataset cleanup succeeded. Here is the after pre-processing the data. This is the area type datasets. This is the soil type dataset. After pre-processing these two results we get. Here is the classification page. Click here to the soil classification. Click here to view the crop classification. Give the crop name here. Click here to find the best crop well grown. The soil type and crop are not matched. Potato can grow well in wet soil. This type is matched. Thank you.